Shaneis. Hi everybody, my name is Shaneis. I just want to say thank you for how welcoming everyone has been. I know I'm a new kid on the block, but I'll start by introducing myself. I am the oldest of 5 kids, a Colorado native. I'm a healthcare provider and currently the chief of staff at Aurora campus. And I want to answer the most powerful question I've heard today, which is why am I doing this? So as a healthcare provider, I'm an orthotist prosthetist, and that's a mouthful, I know, but I replace limbs specifically for kiddos. Back in my residency about a decade ago, I started to see the cracks of our healthcare system. And that came in the face of insurance companies denying the kids the right to a limb. And I don't know if you guys know how much or how expensive it is to get a prosthetic leg, but on average it's $12,500. So, very hopeless feeling, very similar to what it felt like waking up on November 6th last month. You guys all know what that feels like. And I had 2 choices. I could either sit and bear it, I'm getting nervous, sorry. Or I could stand up and do something about it. So I'm standing up here today, just like I left my practice in 2018 to seek legislative change for my patients. It was tough. It took me to jobs in the private sector during COVID at Bill Health Hospital. There's some amazing heroes there in the shape of nurses and doctors. Then I went to the public health system at CDPHE and I learned all about the legislative process, where I felt I was empowered enough to push a citizen-led bill, House Bill 231136, mandating insurance companies to pay for prosthetic legs, not just for kids, but for adults as well. And it passed. It passed, thank you, because I found out that there's power in talking economics. Essentially, I've written 3, almost 4 economics papers saying when we invest in our people, we all pay a little bit more on our premiums in cents per member per month. We'll save $30 million here in Colorado, because when people can be healthy and invest in our economy, we all benefit. Wild concept, I know. So I ended up going to 6 other states, and they passed as well this last year in 2024. So Arkansas was one of them, and I say that because it's obviously a very red state. And I've heard from all of you say very similar things, that we have to talk in economics as the Democratic Party. And I know how to do that. So, as an education administrator now, and as someone who's very passionate about bringing people together for bipartisan change, all of my bills have been bipartisan, I offer myself to you, and I'm very nervous with public speaking, so we'll get better at that, but I want you guys to leave on one note, and that's, I'm not standing up here because I want to be a politician. I'm standing up here because I feel like I have to. We need change, we need new blood. We need people who are energetic and have made change. I've helped pass bills for hundreds of thousands of people in America before stepping foot into office. So let's do that again together on a bigger stage, because Colorado rocks. Thanks, guys.